CLECO is committed to generating cleaner energy for generations to come. By investing in groundbreaking renewable projects, we're creating safe, reliable energy. CLECO, working today to energize your tomorrow.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
Hey, good morning, everyone. I'd explain the mistake I made, but it was entirely boring and technical, so we're not going to do it. Let me see something. I should have, you know me, I'm always like, I should have checked this before. Let's see, I think the temperatures are back now, so, whoops. Dew point temp. Yeah, we're looking good again on those. Sweet. Okay, so it's 66 degrees. Let me save that frame, and I will move my coffee so I can see it. All the things I should do before the show, but you know my attention to detail. It's not good. So this is what we have going on out at Toledo Bend right now. 66 degrees. Had a little fog again in spots this morning, but looking good out there on the lake. 66, dew point 56. Winds from the south-southwest at 12 miles per hour. And Alexandria, you're looking the same. I'll update those temperatures later. You get the idea. We have clouds out here. Actually have had some fog in the area, but you can see that kind of lifting right now. And temperatures very warm as we have rain showers and a few thunderstorms to the north, but nothing locally. This is what we're seeing up there north of I-20. Rain showers along the Red River and then down toward I-20 and Monroe. I can zoom in a little bit. No need to get too detailed, but if you are headed up toward Jackson, you could run into some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder today, this morning. And then I think possibly we get a couple of sprinkles down here, but it doesn't look like much on the high-res models. Mid-60s to low 70s right now. It's warm. You get it. We are heading to that season where it's going to be very warm every day, and we have variable winds for today. I think that southerly flow is going to start to build in a little bit as we get into the evening, into the overnight. 15, maybe 20 mile per hour gusts there. We're kind of setting the table for this weekend system. We're going to load up that moisture and bring some showers and storms in. You know, I should have shown you the severe risk up in Washington today. They could see baseball-sized hail in western Washington. Why do I think of that? Because I was just there and I'm kind of jealous. 81 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy skies today. Low 80s, not much rain. Here's what the HRRR model looks like. It has that rain up north, kind of keeps it up there through 4 p.m. It's not going to be heavy. It's not going to be severe. It's just going to be a few showers. Maybe we get an isolated shower or two in here. And then by Friday morning, you can see things starting to take shape out here in Texas, and that's going to move our way. In fact, we now have a marginal risk for severe storms on Friday. I don't think this is going to be a big deal. I do think we are going to see the potential for a few severe storms out of this. I think heavy rain is going to be our main issue on Friday, and that's mainly going to be Friday afternoon into Friday night. Here's another severe outlook for you. We have several risks to talk about here. One Friday, one Sunday. This big Sunday one we've been talking about for a couple of days from the Great Lakes down to Texas. They did expand that back to the south again, and then moving east on Monday, but we'll see the timing on this because some indications are this might linger in our area until Monday, but if you have travel plans that take you out to Atlanta or Jacksonville on Monday, you might be running into some storms. Or North Carolina. If you're heading to North Carolina, I don't know, Mom, is Tara heading back on Monday or is she here for the week? I think she's here for a while. That's my cousin. She lives in North Carolina. I don't know if she's home yet or not, but anyway, now I'm just getting off the rails. Here's what we have on the thunderstorm outlook. This is what we're looking at here over the next couple of days now. I think we see a few showers today. I think we see some heavy rain coming in on Wednesday or on Friday. I'm all over the place on my days here. Thunderstorms, likely. We could see some severe weather. This model does linger some rainfall into Saturday, so the potential is there for at least some showers. Then the next wave comes in. And I think this one's going to be more scattered, but we have a better chance for severe thunderstorms with this one as it comes in late Sunday. And then again, this one lingers it into Monday, so we're just going to have to wait and see on timing. But I think a few severe storms, not one of those events where I'm looking at it saying, oh my goodness, we're going to see all this craziness and we need to, batten down the hatches. I don't even have hatches to batten down, but if you do, stand by, but don't batten them down yet. 1 to 3 inches, now we're talking here. I think WPC is getting on board with what I'm thinking more here with some pretty heavy rainfall totals, possibly some in the 3+ category, especially as you head into the southern half of the area. So I don't see widespread flooding as a problem. 1 to 3 inches of rain around here, it's more of a pain in the butt than anything. So I don't think we're going to see that, but we are going to see a lot of rainfall. Let me get that arrow out of there. Good rain chances Friday. Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be kind of like a scattered deal Saturday morning, and then Sunday, I think it's later in the day. So Saturday afternoon through Sunday around noon, pretty good. Maybe a few more storms by next Tuesday. And honestly, I'm not going to go to the 8 to 14 day outlook because it's really kind of nebulous right now. It means I don't really have a coherent message to give you. So I'm going to end things quietly right here for today because I don't want to just sit here and act like I know what's going to happen and then it not happen. But I see a lot of range of possibilities there from dry to not. So what kind of value does that provide? What we are looking at here is a wet weekend, but there's going to be some dry time, so you will have time to get out and enjoy those 70s on Saturday and 80s, mid-80s on Sunday. A lot of instability. That's not a good thing. All right, I'm out of here for today. Have a great Wednesday, hump day. It's today. Have some fun. I will see you back here tomorrow.